How to use Zelle with Chase in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to use Zelle with Chase. It's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to use Zelle with Chase. Okay, so just follow what I'm gonna show you in this video. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to go to your phone. Okay, and after going to your phone, you need to go to Chase app, just go to Chase app. If you have Android, you just need to go to Google Play to download it first, or if you have iPhone, you just need to go to App Store to download it. Okay, it's available on both iOS devices and Android devices. Okay, after going to Chase app and open it, you just need to sign into Chase account. Okay, after signing into Chase account, you just need to tap the pay and transfer tab. Okay, that's it. You just need to click on it. Okay, and after clicking on it, you're gonna find here send money with Zelle. Okay, you just need to select it. Okay, you can quickly send or request money from almost anyone with a US bank account. Okay, so now we just need to click on get started. Okay, so I'm gonna click on get started. Okay, and as you can see now what I need to do is to verify my email address or phone number. Okay, so you just need to verify it. Okay, I'm gonna enter my phone number, and then after entering your phone number you just need to click on next. Okay, and now after doing this, you're done. Now you just need to click on done and you just use Zelle with Chase. Okay, as I told you, it's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to use Zelle with Chase. That would be it, and I will see you in the next video.